Hey, what's up guys, welcome to the vlog. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make one of these blue missile kind of launchers here. So basically all it is a balloon and we're going to be using a toilet roll piece, but I made this one with a bottle. Now you can make it with a bottle, it's the exact same, you may just need to shrink the bottle in depending on how big your balloon is. So with this, if you need to shrink your bottle, you cut down along the edge of it, and then you can tape it to the size you need it to be. But today we're going to be using this toilet roll cover. So first, if you're using a balloon that you need to cut cut to let the air out, then you do that. I filled this one with water to get all that dust they have in there out. Now I need to dry mine, so for that I have a towel. So you will want a pair of scissors. Just be careful with them because you could cut yourself. Now we don't want that, do we? So so basically, yes. Now if you've washed your balloon, it's dry, you get your toilet roll piece, squish it down, and then cut it to the size you want yours to be. This is the size I want mine to be, like my bottle here, much longer. Now, you want to get the piece of balloon. You just cut off your empty balloon, because you won't be able to use your little balloon again. So then you get your piece of balloon, you put it over your toilet roll piece of thing. Make sure it's all cut down and do how you want it, because otherwise it won't fit and work. And then once you've got it on there, you will want some tape. And this tape, it will keep your balloon on, of course. So you need your balloon to be overlapping a bit on your bottle or toilet roll cover. So yeah, but if you're doing it with a bottle, remember, cut the top off, because otherwise this won't work. The bottles I don't think will work better. I don't know yet. I don't think will work better. Will work as well, but don't know. You need something to fire. So when you've got your thing, you need to check it's on there strong enough. So that's why pinching your balloon, pulling it back, and then letting go. Mine's strong enough. So now I'm going to get this bottle lid, put it in there. There you go. And then we're going to launch. And I made it up onto my bed. Now that's perfect. That's how you want it to work. But if yours doesn't work like that, you may want to get another bottle. I couldn't find any more bottles in my house. So yeah. So when you've got this, you can go if you want a battle, you can make another one exactly the same. Now I'm going to make another. So this one is like this. It's got the gap, that gap here. Fire! I don't think it works as well, but I don't know, it may for you. I just don't think it does. I've got a towel here to dry it. This is the same balloon I washed. I'm not going to have that piece on there. So let me cut it. I'm gonna have the piece on there because I don't have any choice. I don't have a choice now. So I've cut a piece off already. Now you kind of are not going to be able to use the balloons again, so I suggest if you want to use your balloon again, you don't make this. So yeah, now let's just pinch it open. It's a bit wet. Let me just get from here then. But right now, of course, you can't have a battle with your friend because of the current climate. So, I just need to get this thing open. Well, basically, you're just doing it the exact same. You just want to have the top piece, not a piece cut off. And so that's how you make them. Now we're gonna go. No, we're not gonna go anywhere. I hope you enjoyed the video. Now, bye!